Welcome to Rowe Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rowe research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the resource. In this video, we're exploring Rowe Price, accessible at www.roweprice.com. Rowe Price is a global asset management firm that offers a wide array of investment products and services to individuals and institutions. Their website serves as a central hub for accessing information about their various offerings, from mutual funds and ETFs to retirement plans and managed accounts. Navigating the site, you'll find resources covering market insights, investment education, and financial planning tools. Rowe Price emphasizes a long-term, research-driven investment approach. They highlight their experienced investment professionals and their commitment to helping clients achieve their financial goals. The website provides detailed information on their investment philosophies, strategies, and performance. You can explore different fund families, research individual funds and ETFs, and access performance data and prospectuses. For those planning for retirement, Rowe Price offers tools and guidance to help individuals prepare for their future. You can find resources on retirement planning, saving, and investing. The website also provides information on their retirement plan solutions for businesses. Beyond retirement, Rowe Price addresses other financial planning needs, offering resources on topics like college savings and managing expenses. The website's user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing investors to easily access the information they need. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you'll find valuable resources on Rowe Price's website. They offer educational materials, market commentaries, and interactive tools to help you make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, the website provides secure account access, allowing clients to manage their investments online. It's important to conduct your own thorough research and consider your individual financial situation before making any investment decisions.